Hi everybody, my wife bought a knitting machine. It's a Singer Superba. It's pretty old, but overall in very good condition, except some plastic on the left side that broke off during transport. In this video I'll show you how to remove the front bed of the Superba. I'm not really mechanically inclined and I have two left hands, but you might still find this video helpful. I used an ironing board to prevent the front bed from accidentally falling down. As a next step, I removed the needle retaining wire. After that, it's possible to shift that little scale out. Don't use force, this needs to go very easy. Do this on both sides of the bed. As a next step, I can remove those little J-springs on both sides. They're pretty tiny, but not a big problem to take them out. That's basically it. Now you can shift that front bed down. When it starts to hang, you just push those release levers a little bit down and it will keep sliding out. Here is my front bed, and here the machine without bed. The reassembly is simply in reverse order. It's not very difficult. The only maybe tough part is that you really need to have that bed slid in very parallel. It took me about 15 tries until I got it right. The two release levers of the bed will hold the bed in place, so once it's up there, it's not gonna fall down. Before you install the J-springs, it's really important to verify the bed is absolutely parallel. Once it's parallel, then install the J-springs and test it again. To install the J-spring, look at that little groove on the side of the lever. The tip of the J goes into that groove. Then you can simply slide the top of the J over the edge and it's done. This shows the same from a different camera. If the little scale doesn't want to slide in, you may have to push that lever a little bit down, but this should slide in very easily. As the last step, I slide in the needle retaining wire and it's done. At the end, you want to test all functions, make sure everything works.